In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. You need to begin by accessing Moto app. When you're ready, click on those three lines at the top left corner and click on Personalize. Now select Styles and over here select Theme. Now pick the perfect font style for you. You can check out preview above. When you finished and you only want to change your font style, tap on Next a couple of times. Then name your font. I will go with font style 1. And hit Done. Lastly, select Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. In order to go back to the default one, you can access the same settings and tap on Theme tool to select your default font style, or just edit your current one by clicking on it and hitting this pen at the top right corner. Then pick default one instead, tap on Next a couple of times and select Done. Then hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!